Hey everyone, it's Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun DIY and paint with me video. I saw these really cool, I guess, plaster artwork pieces and I really wanted to make some of my own. This style of wall art got popular on Instagram and TikTok. I saw MissTiffanyMa make one and I was like, I have to do this. It looks so cute. I really needed some new artwork in my place, so I was like, why not just make one and have some fun while doing it? They are very, very easy to make, very inexpensive, and it's really cool to just like make something of your own and be creative. And when people come over and see your really awesome artwork, you can be like, I made that. I think it's so cool. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Hopefully you can see how it actually looks here. I will do some other close-up shots, but I think it was so much fun to make. It looks like something that you might have gotten from like a cool, trendy boho style store. There's so much texture in it. You can leave it just as is with just the joint compound or like plaster that you're using, and it still looks really cool and fun and funky, but I decided to paint mine because why not? So if you want to see how to get this cool DIY artwork, then just keep watching. If you do have any extra questions that I didn't answer, just leave them in the comment section below. I will list where I got everything that I used to make this wall art in the description box below. But again, if you have any questions, just let me know. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you're not, check out my other videos. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So you'll only need a couple things for this DIY. The first one is this joint compound. This is what you use to basically apply between like drywall panels. So you can get a tub this size, you can get a bigger size, and I think you can get a smaller size as well. I just got mine from Home Depot. You'll also need some tools. These are called trowels. The one with the notched edge like you see here is really good for creating like the rainbow shapes, and then you'll also need some little like spatulas or putty knives. Not really sure which one is which or if it's the same, but basically you're just going to take a canvas, and I got my canvas, this large one, from JYSK, and I got some smaller ones from the dollar store. So you'll just take your little spatula and you'll start spreading the joint compound all around the canvas. And with this size of joint compound, I was able to do this canvas, a skinny, longer canvas, and a really small one as well. So a little bit definitely goes a long way with the joint compound. This first layer that I'm doing here, I'm just kind of making it as even as possible, but I also really like the different like marks and different layers and texture that you have on here. And obviously before this dries is when you'll want to do your design. So this is what I decided to do. I took this little notched trowel and I started to create little like U shapes and rainbow shapes, and I think it looks very bohemian and cool and trendy. And you can literally do whatever you want with this. You can make any type of design, and my dad had these laying around, which was great, so I didn't have to go out and buy them, but I'm pretty sure you can also get these tools at the dollar store. So once I've got the design how I like it, I'm going to let it dry completely. It took about maybe 2 days for it to dry totally down and not have any like mushy spots or anything like that. And if you want to, you could leave it as is, but I would recommend putting a layer of Mod Podge over top. I got my Mod Podge from Walmart. You can get it at any craft store pretty much, and I'm just doing a nice quick layer over top of the whole thing. This is just gonna prevent any like dust from falling off of this. If you accidentally hit it or scratch it, it's just gonna help seal everything down. And then I mixed some colors. I got some paint from the dollar store and some from Walmart, but again, you can get it pretty much anywhere. And this is also a really fun part for me. I love painting and I haven't for a long time, so this was very therapeutic and just very relaxing. So just have fun with it and mix colors. just do honestly whatever your heart desires with this. You really can't go wrong because it looks very organic, and that's the beauty of DIYs and artwork like this. There's no real wrong way or right way to do this, just whatever you feel is right and what you like, then just do it, and I'm sure it will turn out great. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish painting this, and then I will see you very soon at the end. And that's it for how I did this super cool DIY wall art and how I painted it. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you decide to do any of these, and also thanks again to MissTiffanyMa for doing this on her Instagram, because it definitely inspired me and I love how they turned out. If you decide to make these at home, definitely tag me on Instagram and MissTiffanyMa, since she's the one who inspired me, and show what your artwork looks like. I'm really excited to see if any of you decide to make these, and I hope you're all having an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do like it. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!